Electricians are midway on their installation, so I wanted to jump in here and show you a couple details on the under cabinet lighting. We pretty much put it on almost every kitchen, and most of the stuff that we're doing is some form of under cabinet lighting, fairly common. There's a few different styles or a few different setups here. So you can see there's a channel or a slot on the underside there. And what that does, that allows us to set in a track for the LED strip light to go in. So here's a piece of the track. So that goes up, that'll fit up underneath right into this channel here. And then they put in the LED strip light, diffuser, semi-transparent cover that goes on it. That snaps into place there. And then what that does is just kind of spreads out the light a little bit, so you don't see like the dots from the LED strip light. That one's set in here already. So now they connect to here, put the strip light in, and then they put this diffuser piece, plastic cover on top. Okay, now so with these LED strip lights, the under cabinet lighting, there's a few different ways to set up the cabinets, the upper cabinets, to accommodate these. Fairly common approach that installers like to use in our kitchen design. You see we've got underneath here, we've got, again, this LED, the track for the LED lights that'll go in there. And you can see this is all one continuous piece underneath. So nice and clean, continuous. I mean, you don't really see it that much. Maybe if you're, sitting over at the dining room table or something, you might be able to see underneath. If you're really looking for it. But you can see here, so the box of the cabinet a little bit higher, and the door actually extends just a little bit lower. So the door is actually taller than the cabinet box itself. That way it appears everything finishes up right flush with the bottom of the doors. Now that's just this particular design. We've done other ones where the kitchen or the wall cabinets will have kind of like a frame detail where this outside will wrap all the way around, kind of nice, kind of framework looking. Again, there's no issue there because you got your cabinets framed in, and then on that frame they can cut the channel under there for the strip lights. So just wanted to show you that little detail on the under cabinet lighting. It looks phenomenal when it goes in. We'll show you here fairly soon. So that's it for now. We'll see you in the next one.